Hi, I'm Mike Stephan with KAGE Innovation, and I want to talk to you about the benefits of the KAGE snow stakes. Fact number one, these things are flexible. I mean, you can drive right over these, push snow right over them, and 90% of the time they pop right back up. Fact number two, now your operators don't have to be so concerned about where they're stacking snow. They can push the pile of snow right over the stake, pull back, and it pops right back into place. Fact number three, these things are about half the price of fiberglass and can be reused over and over and over again. If they do get kinked, you just trim the end off and reuse it the next season. Fact number four, the secret to these flexible snow stakes is that they have a full-length slit that allows them to twist as they bend. Fact number five, we offer a system to install these, which includes a pounder to make the hole for the stake and a quiver to carry over 100 stakes at a time. Thanks for watching these fun facts about the snow stakes and the KAGE snow stake insertion system.